Kia. Movement that inspires.
Kia Carens made its global debut in India, and incidentally, the country will also be its sole manufacturing hub for both domestic and export purposes. Set to launch in February, the Carens, which will be Kia's third mass-market product for India, aims to offer customers SUV styling with MPV practicality. The Kia Carens is based on a stretched version of the Seltos platform. Dimensionally, the Carens measures 4,540 mm in length, 1,800 mm in width, 1,700 mm in height and has a wheelbase of 2,780 mm. Up front, the face is characterized by a striking split LED headlamp assembly and a sealed-off grille that's housed within a contrasting gloss back trim. The grille even features some 3D patterns and a brushed silver insert for some added bling. Down below, the front bumper is more sedately styled, although the gaping central air intake does add some character. The window line gets a chrome garnish and there's a strong character line that starts from the headlamps, blends into the doors and then emerges at the rear to meet the tail lamps. At the rear, the Carens gets a pair of wraparound LED tail lamps that are connected via a slim LED strip. The interior of the Carens is very well appointed with premium-looking materials and a well-laid-out dashboard. Interestingly, the dashboard is quite deep, extending well towards the front windshield, thanks to a slight cab-forward design typically seen in MPVs. The Carens will be available in both 6 and 7-seat configurations, with the former getting captain's seats for the second row. The third row of seats, however, do not seem the most generous in terms of space. Top spec variants of the Carens will come equipped with a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Kia's Yuvo Connect. It also gets a fully digital instrument cluster. An 8-speaker Bose sound system and a multi-function steering wheel with buttons for audio controls, voice commands and calling, similar to the one seen on the Seltos and the Sonic. Under the hood, the Carens gets the option of 2 petrol engines and a diesel engine. The first is a 115 horsepower, 144 Nm, 1.5-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine, which will solely be offered with a 6-speed manual gearbox. Then there's the 140 horsepower, 242 Nm, 1.4-liter turbocharged petrol engine that comes mated to either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed DCT gearbox. Lastly, The diesel engine is a 1.5-liter unit that produces 115 horsepower and 250 Nm of peak torque, and Kia offers either a 6-speed manual or 6-speed torque converter automatic gearbox. The Kia Carens is expected to be priced similarly to the Hyundai Alcazar, which means it could start 16 lakh rupees or $21,400.